In this video, I will show you how to change or convert your currency on Trading 212. So to do this, just open up the Trading 212 app or website, and then the first thing you can do is just go to the three lines, and then from there go and click on settings. Now here, if you go to currency options, what you can do is set your default buying and selling currency to either the primary currency of your account or the currency the asset is in. So for example, my primary currency is euro, and let's say I have some Google stock in the US dollar. Then if I sell that stock, if I set it to primary currency, it will then be sold for the euro in my case, but you can also set it to asset currency, and then in that case it will be sold to the currency that the asset is in. So for Google, for example, US dollar. Now, unfortunately, you cannot change your primary currency itself. For that, you will need to create a new account and set it to the country that you want to change it to. So for example, if I would like to change my account to the British pound, that's only possible if I actually have an address and I live in the UK, because then I can get the British pound. Now, something else that you can also do is if you go to your portfolio and click on cash, you can then click convert, and then you can convert whichever currency you have to whatever currency you want. So if I click show all, you can see there are a bunch of them, and the interest rate is also different on different currencies, so you can also play around with that. But from here, for example, USD, and now you will see I have a little bit of USD. So that's how to change and convert your currency on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.